Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gone Guitar. We have Charlie on a Friday, and of course we have to release this one on this Friday. This song is called When I'm Leavin'. Alright, so it's very easy to play this, guys. We have the capo set on the 4th fret, and the DNA will be as many other songs like Oasis Wonderwall, if you understand what I mean. You have this bass that stays there throughout the very entire song. There you just switch the bass notes and get the different chords from it. So that is what we're gonna look at. We're gonna start with capo on 4th, like I said, and you can already now just borrow in your fingers into the fretboard there. 3rd fret B string with your ring finger and 3rd fret E string with a little pinky. That's the start, and that is what you're gonna keep throughout the song here. So we're gonna start with E minor first. So you're gonna work with the index and mid finger for the other chords. So E minor, you have open E, then 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, and then the bottom there, 3rd B and 3rd E. The next chord is the C add. So you do like this with your fingers. You play 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, and guess what? 3rd B and 3rd E. The next chord is the G. Okay, so you just go up with the same finger, same position, just one string up to this position here. 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. And the final chord is the D chord, but with this F sharp in the bass. So you go like this. 2nd on E, open A, open D, 2nd on G, 3rd B, 3rd E. And that will be the chord progression from the beginning till the very end. E minor, C, G, D, F. All right, so we have just the string pattern to learn. So if you go back to E minor, you're gonna play like this. Okay, so you start with down, down, okay? So the first 2 downs, you're gonna play the first down on bass, and then you answer, so to speak, with the next down on the higher notes. So, bass, top. And then the rest you play down here with higher notes or the mid area. So, the rest will be up, up, down, up, down, up. So the up, up, down comes very close to the down, down, and then up, up, down. Then comes a little pause there, and then comes up, down, up. So bass, top, up, down, up, down, up. So up, down, up, up. So that is the end of the strumming. So bass, top, up, down, up, bass, top. You're gonna play 1 string around per chord, and you do that from the beginning until the very end. E minor, C, G, and D, F. It goes. Charlieonnafriday, When I'm Leaving, and that is right now. I'm done with this tutorial. I hope that helped you, and if it did, feel free to like this tutorial or even subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. So I'm really grateful for that, guys. Hope you have a good day and play tuned.